Hello guys, today we're playing Minecraft Hamster at 3 a.m. Hamster. But also disclaimer, don't actually put hamster in a microwave because it's, no matter what circumstance or situation, it's kind of sort of a little thing called animal cruelty. You should not do not put hamster in a microwave. This video is a joke. Don't actually do it. It won't end well. Anyway, let's play. Oh, we got the Freddy Fazbear. We got the fish. We got the weird stickman guy. Can I go back to bed? Nah. Where's my hamster? What is this? Google. What? The Goog ending. I already got an ending. Oh. Well, let's play again. Well, I didn't even get to see a hamster. I'm upset. I'm going to bed. Oh. Wait, what? That's literally just an ending, just going to sleep. Just giving up. Is this the Goog ending? Don't talk to me. And honk shoe. Oh. Let's go through door. Cheese. We got Luigi on his phone, probably looking at my YouTube channel and subscribing. That I don't know what that is. There's a Koopa on the ceiling, and a beautiful picture of a man. And where am I? Oh, why are there creepy pictures? Oh God, it's so creepy. Samuel. Let's go in here. Is this the bathroom? Why do I have that? Disgusting. Can I take a shower? I think I need one. Never mind. Well. Oh, I can't move. I thought I couldn't. Is there anything to do here? Because I can't take a shower? Why is this on the ground? Hi. Why? What'd I do? Why? Toilet ending. Don't need to talk about blackness. Oh, that's what happened. Well, give me a second. My audio is being very buggy. There we go. Now I can probably hear sound. Okay, so now we got the toilet ending. Now apparently that's Dad's room. I don't know. Where's my hamster? Is this a hamster? Obtain. Oh, I can obtain the hamster. Look at him. Can I throw him away? Oh, I can throw him away. There we go. I just threw my hamster in the trash. Work. Ah! Why is my hamster explodable? Trash. It's basic physics. Yes, very basic. Well, why you hamster explode? What did I feed him? Did I feed him the stuff that's in fireworks or something? What is it called? Oh, mommy and daddy. Hello. How is this now waking you up? Hey, I'm standing on your face. I'm literally standing on you. How you wake up? What is this? Picture. It's a picture of a coconut. Why do I want to destroy that? It's beautiful. Well, actually, I want to. Stupid coconut. Well, did that wake the parents up? I just broke it. Okay. We got the game runs. Oh. So it broke the entire game. That's why it's in my parents' room. So it's safe. But anyway, wait, why can't I wake the mom up? This is like the first story game I've ever played that actually has a mom. Most of the time, there's no mom. There's just a dad. Well, it's good just to have a mom, I guess. Get up, now. Stupid idiot. I want food, now. Where is he? What? He disappeared. Oh. He left. He literally left me before I could even wake him up. No wonder I did not mean to go back in there. Let's obtain the hamster again. It's a really nice cage. Look at it. Can I put him in the couch? No, it's just a couch. What is this? It's a moai. And we have a cat. Can I feed him? Find the hamster, not the cat. Oh. Whoa, sorry. Wrong game. My bad. Wrong game. I didn't mean to. Don't pet another cat. What is it eating? Oh, that's like this really big wood. Oh. Okay, so this game hates cats apparently. It doesn't work if I don't have hamster. Okay, can I cook something besides? Okay, we also have man, a gingerbread cookie, something up there. That blend hamster. Oh yeah, this is a joke, guys. Don't actually do this. This is Yeah, don't hurt your hamsters. You should love your hamsters. I don't have a hamster, but you should love them. The blender wasn't real. Good, because I don't want to blend a hamster. Thank God. Also, that is not a blender. I thought that was like this looks like a lantern. This is not a blender. I mean, the best you can do, guys. We got a nice microwave here. I'm not gonna insert the hamster. What's in here? You put a pipe bomb in my fridge. Haha. Well, yeah. I'm gonna argue with that. It's very funny, troll. I mean, you have heard of pipe bombs in mailboxes. But have you heard them in your fridge? No. That is original. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 game. Can we leave with that hamster? I don't know why we're even bothering. Who's that? What's that? Okay. I don't want to microwave the hamster just yet. Can we leave with him? Can I just take my... Oh. Picture of an... No, what? First off, why are they on the roof? And why are there so many? Dumpsters are not to be put on the roof. And there should not be that many. There should not be one at the top floating. Also, I can't move anymore. Oh. I should have known. The ultimate troll. I should have known that would have happened. So anyway, we're going to microwave a hamster. Also, I don't know how we'd know it's 3 a.m. There's no clock around here, which I'm kind of sad about. But put him in. I wouldn't even consider that normal, but okay. So, how do I get to the convenience store without somebody trolling me and putting a subspace trip mine? Can I just walk around it? Oh, never mind. Okay, so I guess I can't go there. Oh. What else is there to do? I wanna go to the store. Okay, so there's apparently a few more endings. But I don't know where. I don't want the Goog ending. Can I open the doors? No. Fetty Fatware. Well, actually, I forgot to read the endings. So we have You Did It. What is the other one I got? Robux Don't Ban Me. Oh, Honk Shoe. What else is there to do? Wait. The bathroom didn't really have to see anything in it. Okay. Or like wash up. Oh. Okay. I want to take a shower, but oh, never mind. But there's no water. We forgot to pay the water bill. What else is there to do here? I wish I could go to the store, but I can't. Let's just leave our hamster in there for a bit. Can we watch TV? Is there anything to do around my house? Like, let's see here. Yeah, I guess we can't go over there. Wait, it looks like there's stuff in there though. But what are we trying to do here? Breaking the game. Oh, nothing. Just look at this wall. Very beautiful. I like it. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I thought this game would have more endings. Well, honestly, I rate it 10 out of 10 game. Pretty good game. I like getting blown up by a trip mine. But also, fool. I avoided your trip mine, nerd.